They say history stands still. But in Savannah, Georgia, it moves with you. Southern charm, cobblestone streets, live oak trees. Yeah, it's beautiful.
People wonder if Savannah's accessible.
So we're here to find out for ourselves.
Hey Meta, what am I looking at?
This is a mixed media painting by artist Ken Gunman.
I've traveled a lot of places, some easier than others. But what I've learned, accessibility looks different for everyone. For me, it's curb cuts and wide doorways. For my friend Omari, it's clear signage and helpful locals.
This is so good. It's delicious.
For Anna, it's captions in quiet spaces.
Welcome to Savannah.
All right, y'all ready to see Savannah?
Let's go for a ride.
We explored museums, took a walking tour, caught a ferry, and even found the perfect rooftop to relax. All with ease. Just Southern hospitality in motion. Don't let the age of this city fool you. Savannah gets it. Whether you're rolling, strolling, or navigating in your own way, there's space for you here. Because in Savannah, y'all means all isn't just something they say. We saw it firsthand throughout the city. Come see for yourself.